Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can enhance audio quality in Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Filmora application and I'm going to enhance my audio quality at this video. If we want to enhance audio quality, there are some methods we can try, and the first method I'm going to show you is applying the audio normalization. You can click on your video and then go to the audio menu, and here you have to activate the audio normalization to make your audio clearer. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to apply the audio normalization to show you how you can add clickable links. Okay, and the second one, we can also increase the volume. If your audio is too low, you can increase the volume, and then you can also apply the normal noise to remove noise from your audio to your table and Google Sheets. Okay, let's get it. Alright guys, and that's all the way to enhance audio quality in Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.